They both promise to be the ultimate Evernote killer, but in 2025, the real question is whether Joplin or Obsidian actually delivers or just survives on bold marketing and hype. And after reviewing massive user feedback, forums, and real performance reports following over 23 million combined downloads last year, the picture turns out to be far more complicated than the ads suggest. Joplin promotes itself as a free, open-source, privacy-first note system with sync flexibility. But real-world use reveals warning signs around syncing reliability, slow database updates on large vaults, and occasional reports of no conflicts or disappearing attachments that users notice too late. Obsidian, meanwhile, champions total customization through plugins and local file control. Yet its learning curve is steep. Core features often require paid add-ons or third-party plugins. And poorly managed extensions have caused data corruption, syncing errors, or heavy performance slowdowns for some users with complex vaults. The idea of free forever also deserves a reality check. Both tools can technically be used without paying. But meaningful cloud sync, convenience features, and cross-device reliability often nudge users toward subscriptions or third-party services, blurring the line between free and paid ecosystems. Plugin ecosystems look powerful on paper, but in practice they introduce long-term risks, including abandoned updates, broken compatibility after version changes, and rising dependence on unsupported community tools for essential workflows. When it comes to data ownership, Joplin offers encrypted storage but ties you closely to its database system, while Obsidian stores notes as plain markdown files, which is safer long-term yet exposes users to vault management issues if syncing or plugin conflicts occur. Real customer reports highlight a pattern on both sides: sync failures, lost notes, corrupted databases, and gradual performance decline on large collections. Ultimately, Joplin prioritizes structure and security but struggles with stability at scale. While Obsidian offers freedom and flexibility with higher complexity and risk, leaving neither as a perfect choice. Just two very different compromises depending on how much control, reliability, and risk you're willing to juggle.